A true yogi or one who has surrendered to the Divine Mother or to Lord or to Guru completely has to do nothing. He will do everything for me. Why do we do anything? Because we have not surrendered. We think if I do not do this, who will do for me? If I don't cook, who will give food to me? But we forgot that I have surrendered completely and He will give food to me. Countless stories from life of the devotees that God has brought food for them, keeping food in their front. Keeping food in the front. You might have heard the name of Nikamananda, sitting in Varanasi, thinking that it is the city of Annapurna. Surely she will give food. I'll see she is giving food or not. Sitting with eyes closed, one old lady came. He said, "Hey, my child, keep this thing. I'm going to take bath in Ganga." She went to Ganga. She didn't come back. He's waiting for hours and hours. When she did not come back, being curious, opened this and found hot sweets, Sita Bhog, a special sweet, and which he was fond of. It happens when he is feeding, why should I be worried? When one has surrendered completely, there is no worry. So, she is standing with all weapons to protect you. She is standing with. There is one prayer to the Divine Mother. Stanabhara Namra. Stanabhara Namra. Her body is bending down because of her full-grown big breasts. Stanabhara Namra. Gurudev is sitting with another monk. He said, this verse is not good. It should be changed, Bhakti Bhara Namra. She is bending herself with devotion. Gurudev said, no. Mother and the child, the best link is mother's milk. Stanabhara Namra, she is ready to feed the baby. Which milk? The milk that will give strength. This strength is not for the body. My weak child, you are weak because of your mind. You are weak because of your emotion. Forget about it. Come to me. I will feed you that nectar of love, nectar of devotion. You will be strong and powerful. Fear not. You are not alone. You will have fear. If you sleep alone, having a bad dream, you might cry. You are sleeping with me. My protecting hand is holding you. Why fear? Sleep fearlessly. Meditate fearlessly. Sleep means meditate fearlessly. Divine Mother.